Tools of the Trade is an exhibition that frames the history of street art and graffiti through the tools that artists use to create their work. The exhibition goes as far back as when the King of Kowloon started painting the streets of Hong Kong in the mid-50s. Then American graffiti in the late 60s, 70s, and 80s moves through the whole history of street art and graffiti. I think it's largely about highlighting the ingenuity and the inventiveness of the artists. Before there were companies creating commercial products just for graffiti and street art, artists were forced to adapt from other segments of society, modifying markers, creating their own from other found objects, repurposing inks, expertise in rock climbing to then rappel down buildings, programming and modifying drones to paint buildings. A lot of the vintage stuff came from the US. The old vintage spray cans came from an artist who collects them, but also on eBay in the United States or in Canada, so we had to ship them over about an 8-month period. The photographs from Martha Cooper were printed in New York and inspected and approved by her and then shipped here as well. The kind of past and present hand styles were all collected by Chino, a graffiti writer from the 80s, specifically for Tools of the Trade. The tools are always evolving with the artists, so it's really hard to even imagine what an exhibition like this might look like in a month, in a year, or in 10 years.